Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and let's just dive straight into it. Basically, I'm solving this Rubik's Cube in like 5 minutes. Like, I'm gonna do it in between 5 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. So I'm just going to like quickly alright, solve the upper part. So next, let's move on. I did it in 3 seconds 3 minutes 10 seconds. What am I saying? Yeah, and it's fully solved. If you wanna know how to solve this, then then like this video, because I will do another video on this and how to solve this. So bye everyone. I'm gonna see you on the next video.